Welcome my dear students of class 5A and 5B to my GK class. Today the following points I am going to teach you. The same lesson, vitamins and minerals. Points as I mentioned, please look at it. Thiamine, vitamin B1. Point 2. Niacin, vitamin B2. Point 3. Riboflavin, vitamin B2. Point folate, vitamin B9, folic acid and phthalate. And point number 5, food sources. So these are the points I am going to teach you. First one, thiamine onward. First one, thiamine, vitamin B1. You know, in our regular life, we do require a number of vitamins. These vitamins are helpful to us. Why? Because these vitamins protect our body. These vitamins protect our body. And with these vitamins, we can work, we can have energy, we can laugh, we can cry, we can run, we can walk, we can talk, and we can go anywhere. We can go anywhere as we wish to go. That's why these vitamins are very important to our body. Now thiamine. What is thiamine? Thiamine is one kind of vitamin B1. Thiamine helps the body convert carbohydrates into energy, and it is necessary for the heart. You know, heart is one of the most important organ of our body. Heart is one of the most important organs of our body. And whenever it gets failed, human beings pass away. They cannot be survived without proper functioning of the main organ of the body, heart. So these vitamin B1, helps our body convert carbohydrates into energy, and it is very essential for the growth and development of heart muscles and nervous system to function properly. And next one, niacin, vitamin B2. Next point, niacin, vitamin B2. Niacin, what is this? Niacin helps the body turn food into energy. It also helps maintain healthy skin and is important for nerve function. In our body, there is a good nerve system. In our body, all the bones, muscles are covered with skin. That's why protecting skin is a very important part of our life. Protecting of skin of our body is a very important responsibility of each and every person. Whenever we have any problem for skin, usually we go to the skin specialist. Skin specialist prescribes medicines according to which we take these medicines, and then we can become free. The problems means we can get recovery. But as soon as a person faces skin problems of not functioning, problem for not functioning, but due to negligence does not like to go to any medical practitioner, in that case the disease can be more and more complicated. That's why it is our first and foremost duty to go to a medical practitioner or to go a specialist doctor whenever we face this kind of problems, physical problems. So niacin is a part of vitamin B2. This helps the body turn food into energy, and this energy gives us protection. This energy gives us comfortable life, to work steadily, to run quickly, to take decisions quickly. The energy is a very important thing for our body. Without energy, we cannot work. That's why niacin helps maintain healthy skin. It helps maintain healthy skin, and it is very important for nerve function. And next point number 3, you see riboflavin. It is vitamin B2. Riboflavin also is a part of vitamin B2. Vitamin B2, riboflavin is essential for turning carbohydrate into energy and producing red blood cells. It is also important for vision. Riboflavin is essential for our body. Why? Why is riboflavin essential for our body? Because it turns carbohydrate into energy and produces red blood cells in our body. And it is also very important for our vision. That's why riboflavin is very important for our body organs. And it is a part of which vitamin? It's a part of vitamin B2, riboflavin. Next one, folate. Folate is a part of which vitamin? Folate is a part of vitamin B9 and folic acid and thalassemia. This is folate. Now, what are the most important, utilities of folate? Folate helps the body make red blood vessels. Folate helps the body make red vessels, red cells or red blood cells. Folate helps our body make red blood cells. It is also needed to make DNA. So these are the most important advantages with folate. Since it is a part of vitamin B9, it increases folic acid and thalassemia into our body in order to check the body from all kinds of germs. It protects our body organs from being affected by various types of germs, because vitamin B9 is a part of also folic acid and thalassemia. That's why it protects our body from being affected by various types of germs. Because while eating, some germs are automatically comes to our body. Automatically it gets into our body. But folic acid and thalassemia protects our body from these germs and destroy the cells of the germs, protects our body. It helps the body make red blood cells. And these red blood cells, destroys the spread of germs. It is also needed to make DNA. And now, last point, food sources. What are the food sources of these vitamins? First, thiamine onwards, vitamin B1. What are the food sources of thiamine or vitamin B1? People get thiamine from many different foods, including fortified breads, cereals, pasta, meat, fish, and dried beans, soya foods, peas, and whole grains like wheat, germ. So these are the food sources of thiamine or vitamin B1. And next one, niacin. What are the food sources of niacin? Red meat, poultry, fish, fortified hot, cold cereals, and peanuts and good sources of niacin. These are the most important sources of, niacin. Niacin is a part of vitamin B2. And what are the food sources of riboflavin? Riboflavin is a part of vitamin B2. Now, what are the food sources? Some of the best sources of riboflavin are meat, eggs, and legumes like peas and lentils, nuts, dairy products, green leafy vegetables, broccoli, asparagus, and fortified cereals. These are the food sources for riboflavin, which is the part of vitamin B2. And next one, folate. Folate, vitamin B9 and folic acid and phthalate. Folate is a part of vitamin B9, folic acid and phthalate. Now, what are these food sources? Dried beans and other legumes, green leafy vegetables, asparagus, oranges, and other citrus fruits and poultry are good sources of this vitamin. So, are fortified or enriched bread, noodles, and cereals. These are the food sources for folate. Folate is a part of vitamin B9, folic acid, and phthalate. So these kind of foods provide us vitamin B9, folic acid, and phthalate. This folic acid and phthalate protects our body from all kinds of germs. Germs can be passed into our body by way of drinking water. Many germs are there in the drinking water also, because sometimes we drink from the tube wells on the road. Sometimes we drink from, the reservoirs of hospitals, reservoirs of, railway junctions, railway stations, reservoirs under municipalities. So in that case, some germs automatically get into our body and disturbs the entire immune system, the entire system of our body, entire functionings of our body. But this folic acid and phthalate protects our body. This folic acid is a part of vitamin B9, and the foods which generally we eat, like poultry, bread, enriched bread, noodles, cereals, oranges, leafy vegetables, green leafy vegetables, it provides vitamin energy, it provides vitamin B9 and protects our body, gives us energy to work. So these are the more important vitamins of our body, vitamins we need to survive, and these vitamins help us to lead a very steady life free of all kinds of diseases. Up to this, my dear students. Thank you.